It's hilarious.
His tassels blowing.
You think he's comfortable? Snoring. I can't. This is just hilarious. Fucking dog. Got the life, man. He got his mama and daddy both hanging off the bed so he can get some wind blown on his balls. And he's just snoring away. And Poof is just like, yeah, I'll take my little corner. You got your little corner, and I got my little corner. And this fuck got the whole fucking bed sprawled out with his balls blowing in the wind. Snoring his ass off. Fucking animal.
Nice to be that comfortable.
Yeah. A dog's life, man. Right here.